Good morning, guys. Jon Craig here, District Sales Manager with Nature's Liquid Fertilizer for Kentucky and Southern Ohio. We're out here on our family farm in Brown County, Ohio. As you can see in the background here, we've got the drone flying. We're applying Nature's Knockout and an insecticide on these R6, R7 soybeans. So the question is asked, why are we applying fertility this late? Well, my personal goal here is to do several things. Develop these top 3 to 4 nodes in these soybean plant and add seed size and seed weight on these soybeans in these pods. So in this Nature's Knockout, we've got a slow release nitrogen, our BioK, and boron. Mainly that boron add to the seed size and seed weight, and hopefully that nitrogen to supply energy to that plant to help develop those top 4 nodes. So look forward to the results. Hopefully we'll have another video when the combine rolls to let you know what we find. Thanks for watching.